Installing LightBurn on Windows 11. Plug the USB drive into the computer. Open the USB drive. It is recommended to copy the files to the desktop. Right-click, Start. Right-pointing arrow, choose Computer Management. Click Device Manager. Connect the machine with your computer via USB cable, then turn on the machine. The Device Manager will refresh. Find USB LMCV2 or Unknown Device in Other Devices or Universal Serial Bus Devices. Right-click, Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Find the corresponding driver in the folder according to computer system. Click OK and Next. When it is successful, click Close. The Device Manager will refresh again and it will display BJJCZ device in Device Manager. Open up the link www.lightburnsoftware.com. Click the Download Trial page and you will find LightBurn in different versions. In order to make sure your computer system type, back to Control Panel, click System, and check the system type. Click the download link. Wait for the download to complete. Open the folder and click the LightBurn icon to install the software. Before finishing the setup, tick Install EasyCAD 2 driver, used by Galvos. Click Finish. Right-pointing arrow. Next, right-pointing arrow. Finish. Click the LightBurn icon and open the software. Click Create Manually. Choose JCZ Fiber and click Next. Click Import EasyCAD Config and try to find the drive file called Mark CFG 7 inches from the folder we copied to the desktop before. Check the information. Make sure the laser type is Fiber. Then click Next. Rename your device and fix the work area. Click Next. Finish, then OK. Make sure the machine is ready. Click Device Setting. Click Load Core File. If your machine equipped with 110mm field lens, you need to load the jcz11.core file and click Open. Change the frequency data according to your machine type. Then click OK to finish the LightBurn setup on Windows 11. Thank you for your support. Please feel free to contact us if any help. Our email address is support@commarker.com.